Welcome to the Enterprise Status training video. Enterprise Status provides a centralized place to monitor all schedules and real-time monitors running in your SureSync environment. Enterprise Status can display status from multiple SureSync machines in this one console. Enterprise Status can be installed on a workstation by running the full SureSync installer on that machine. No additional license is necessary to use Enterprise Status on a workstation. The goal is to make monitoring of the SureSync environment quick and easy for the administrator. To launch Enterprise Status, click on the Enterprise Status button in the SureSync ribbon bar. You can also use the Start menu by going to All Programs SureSync 8 and selecting SureSync 8 Enterprise Status. When launching Enterprise Status for the first time, you will receive a message indicating that no connections to scheduler services have been defined. Enterprise Status works by connecting to each SureSync server running a scheduler service that you have defined and retrieving status information about the schedules and real-time monitors running on that machine. Click OK to load the Enterprise Status application and begin the configuration. The first step in configuration is to define connection information for the SureSync schedulers that Enterprise Status should connect to. This is accomplished by clicking on the Schedulers button in the Enterprise Status ribbon bar. Click the Add New Machine button. In the presented dialog box, you must enter the NetBIOS computer name of the scheduler machine that you're connecting to. If you cannot access the machine using that name from the Enterprise Status machine, that's okay. Once the machine is added, you will have the opportunity to change the access name, which can be an IP address or a fully qualified domain name that can reach the machine. Click the Save New Computer button to add the machine to Enterprise Status. The scheduler machine's connection information is created automatically using default settings. This includes using TCP port 9032 and basic 256 encryption. Status information is sent on the connection defined as the configuration connection in SureSync. If your environment is configured using non-default ports or encryption, you can change those in the port field and the encryption drop-down menu. The access name can be changed to an IP address or a fully qualified domain name if necessary to allow a successful connection. If you made changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the panel. Otherwise, click the red X in the upper right-hand corner to close the panel. Enterprise Status will connect to the defined scheduler and display status for the schedules and real-time monitors running on that scheduler machine. To demonstrate some of the powerful sorting capabilities of Enterprise Status, additional machines have been configured using the same add process we just performed. This gives us an Enterprise Status panel displaying status from multiple SureSync machines in the same environment. The main Enterprise Status panel shows summary information about each schedule and real-time monitor in the environment. This includes if a scheduler monitor is held, running, and various statistics such as files added and bytes copied. You can sort the display by each column in the grid. For example, clicking on the Scheduler column heading will sort the list by the scheduler name. Clicking on the Warnings and Errors column heading can be used to display schedules and monitors that have encountered warnings and errors at the top of the list. The contents for the display can be grouped by a column. This results in a collapsible view grouped by the selected column. For example, if we drag and drop the Scheduler column header to the sort bar, the display will change, allowing us to display and collapse the schedules and monitors for a particular scheduler. From Enterprise Status, you can launch a detailed status panel showing specific details about what the selected scheduler real-time monitor is currently doing. To do this, click on an active monitor or schedule, and then click on the Status button in the ribbon bar. You can also display the log for an active scheduler monitor by clicking on the item and then clicking on the Log Viewer button in the ribbon bar. To view a log, you must have access to the SureSync database in question via the network from your Enterprise Status machine. Finally, the Stop All Jobs button in the Enterprise Status ribbon bar can be used to stop all currently active schedules and real-time monitors. The Start All Monitors button will start all stopped real-time monitors.